I'm Adam Polk, and I'm about to ruin your entire day. Every minute, thousands of animals are beaten and abused. Some of them, surprisingly, don't deserve it. Popular belief. However, here at ASPCA, we work to make a better future for these animals. But only you, our viewers, can help make the change. Call right now to 1-800-DON'T-BEAT-DOGS, and you will make a difference. Thank you.
It's easier to believe in this sweet madness.